guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm on the floor because I'm just so quirky. Anyways, today I thought it would be a great idea if I did a tutorial on how I redecorate my entire room. But before I do that, I just want to go through my entire life story as to why I would want to redecorate my room, my 5 tips on to how to redecorate your room, and all of the expensive equipment I use to make my room look Pinterest perfect. Anyways, cringy openings aside, hi guys. I'm gonna be redoing my room because I need space for video stuff, and waking up every morning to video stuff in my face is slightly terrifying. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing. Let's figure it out. Should I do like a whip pan to like the cringy like opening video thing? Like, like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna make a list of stuff that needs to be moved, and then like make a blueprint for where I want everything, you know? Okay, so things I have. We have that desk over there. We got the side table thing, my bed, obviously, calendar. We have a piano and stand, 2 lights, a mic, tripod, which I don't have on me today because it's somewhere else, which is very unfortunate for what I'm doing. What else do I have? That's pretty much it. I also just need to throw out those boxes. Cool, so we got everything written down. Next thing, I'm just gonna draw out like a little outline. I would just draw this on like my tablet or something, so then I could do like, but I don't have that availability. So instead, we're just gonna do it on this paper, and I'll show you a picture afterwards. Okay, so I think we just put my bed up against the window. We put my desk in between the door and the closet. The side table thingy, I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna put that. I might just keep it where it is, and then readjust accordingly. Now that I got that figured out, here's a picture. So, yeah, I guess the only thing we'll need to do is get started, huh? I guess time-lapse time. Woo! I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Whew. So, room cleaned out. Whoa! Isn't that cool? So now I gotta move the bed. So the bed is gonna go on that window. So what I'm thinking is I move the headboard first over there because it has some electrical equipment on it, also known as LEDs. So I'll move that to where both LEDs can like fit nicely, and then I'll put bed. So yeah. Okay, so now the bed is done. Wow, super cool. Anyways, so preferably I would want to be doing the desk right now, but the problem is I put that side table, whatever it's called, in front of it, so we gotta do the side table first, or at the very least just bring it in here and then move the desk and then move that. We'll figure it out, I guess. Okay, so I put the desk in, but I didn't put in like any of the, I didn't put it against the wall because I want to be able to put in like lights or whatever else needs to be there, you know? So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I have I currently have 2 ring lights. One of these ring lights is just a color temperature one, and the other one has like different lights on it, like red, blue, green, blah 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 blah. This one is the one that does that. So I am not gonna use that for the desk. However, this one, which has temperature and whatnot, I'm gonna put behind my desk. Okay, and this is what the desk looks like. It's very barren, but, you know, I don't really got a lot of equipment or anything, so that's just how it is. So, hypothetically, this is how it would look. I got a light on me, I got big blue over here, making the wall. I wish I had a second one of those so that I could put it over there and make like a red or a pink or something. But oh well. As soon as I get this curtain changed, then maybe those LEDs will actually show up, because at the moment the light from the blanket is too much for the LEDs. But yeah, and I could just sit here and be like doodly-dee, doodle-da, doing my video, whatever, blah. You get the point, I think. And now it's time for Before and Afters with Disaster Piece, the part of the show where Kylie shows you before and afters set to lo-fi music. Enjoy. There you go. This is my room. I added a little lamp over there, like I said I wanted to have. Which, quick tip for all of you out there who can't afford LEDs or whatever, just get a lamp and like a 2-cent little plastic deal, and now you got an LED light. Look at this. Doesn't that look sick? So yeah, that's my setup. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and all that stuff. You know what to do. If this outro seems rushed, it is because I'm about to go to school and I'm running late. But so is life. Alright, well, see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye.